Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new uploads from me. Raksha Bandhan depicts the eternal love of brother and sister, the sweet bonding shared between them. It's just another day to show that we care for each other. To make this day more sweet, here I come with a fusion sweet dish of chocolate with Bengali Sandesh, क्योंकि कुछ मीठा तो बनता है. So let's start. First we'll prepare the chana or paneer for the sandesh. Here I have taken 1 liter full fat milk. Once the milk rises, we'll add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. The milk has started to curdle now. Immediately in a muslin cloth, drain the curdled milk and add some water. This water helps to remove the lemon smell. Now bring the muslin cloth together and squeeze the curdled milk. Keep it for 30 minutes like this. Now after 30 minutes, take this in a mixture grinder and add 1/4 cup of sugar powder and make a smooth paste like this. Now in a non-stick pan, add this moist paneer mixture and cook in very low flame. After few minutes of mixing, you will add 1/4 cup of milk. We'll mix this continuously. Make sure there should be no lumps. Now we will add 75 grams of chopped milk compound chocolate. I'm using Mode company chocolate. If you don't have this chocolate, you can use dairy milk too. But will not suggest to use cocoa powder. The chocolate has started melting with the sandesh. Cook in low flame only. When you will see the mixture is leaving the sides of the pan, it is done. We will now switch off the flame and allow it to cool for 10 to 15 minutes. I've already uploaded a separate video on how to make chocolate cup. Now I have taken this 1 liter packet of milk. I will use this as my piping bag. I have washed this properly and dried it. And I have taken this big star nozzle. Now we'll put the nozzle in the packet and make a cut so that only the front portion of nozzle comes out. Now we'll take a glass and put this packet inside the glass as shown. Now we'll pour our Makha sandesh mixture in this packet and drag it to the bottom of the packet. We'll tie this with a rubber band. You can find my chocolate cup recipe. There's a separate video. You can check it from the description box. I will put that link. Now with the help of my piping bag, we'll make this type of swirls of Makha sandesh in my chocolate cup. Make sure your Makha sandesh is cold enough to pour in the chocolate cup, or otherwise the cup will start melting. Now garnish it with some choco chips. Enjoy this Raksha Bandhan with this fusion sweet dish. Hope you like this video. We'll come again with another new recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye.